Subscribe Om.
Halo, assalamualaikum, Om Tante Brosis. Apa kabar pengen semua? Semoga kabar pengen semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini Westafis Channel akan meluncur ke KalTeng, tepatnya ke Pulang Pisau, untuk grebek preDatOR langsung di pengepul CHANNA Maru, yaitu Om Iful. Oke Om Tante Brosis, ikutin terus video Ulun kali ini. Namun sebelum mulai, angka baiknya pengen klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, and share channel Ulun ini agar Ulun semakin bersemangat dan memberikan informasi mengenai dunia perikanan di Kalsel. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum. Oh iyalah.
Semakin terang KBRI parah. Semakin terang berapa 35.000 orang.
Telepon balik lah.
Iya. Terang KBRI.
Ini ada serabang ini Om. Buaya lah. Assalamualaikum. Adalah deket lah. Bersih lah. Putihnya bersih kan?
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finding, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Find somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't green on the other side. No, you did me dirty the last time.
Ini lo, ini lo.
So now I gotta say goodbye.
Mana lukanya? Lawas temennya. Sebanggau tuh tarak sini dia.
Iya ada jalan terobosan.
Ada maksudnya daerah Parko ada tiang jalan kayak Harus sampai Palangka sana.
Ada, coba tembus juga ke Palangka. Tembus. Ini seorang sungai tembus ke laut dia sungai. Kalau ada terobosan lewat Pulang Pisau itu jalan kanan pakai tongkat. Makanya buan seriki itu lagi lewat situ taruh semua itu. Mantap ya kamu.
Ini hasilnya ini dari apa?
Jebak bubu.
Oh, bubu yang betul.
Jebak.
Jebakan pian nggak ada nelayan aja?
Nelayan. Orang 17 nelayan.
Pian modal itu ya. Pian nelayan.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on, feel I don't belong. Be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. When you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, so damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Faster to where stocks and you hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying. I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're
Oke Om Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video Ulun kali ini. Semoga video Ulun kali ini bisa bermanfaat. Adapun kesalahan informasi yang disampaikan bisa Pian tulis di kolom komentar. Sampai ketemu di video Ulun berikutnya. Ulun undur pamit. Assalamualaikum.